Let's talk about how AI is completely transforming how Google works and how it can impact your SEO. And there's a few things. One, AI isn't going anywhere. Two, it's only going to evolve. And three, we have to go with it. So let's talk about how small businesses and business owners can use AI to help their SEO. Number one, create content that is helpful, human content over keyword stuffing. 10 years ago, it was all about keywords. And yes, it still is to a point, but you want to make sure that the content you are writing is useful for your audience, making sure that it is helping them solve a problem. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Answer the Public, Google's AI to see what people are searching for. As you go to Google and you start typing something in, it's already pre-populating certain topics, it's filling your sentence out. That's what people are searching for. When you go, I went to my AI tool and I said, what are people searching for about social media and digital marketing? And AI and SEO was one of those top topics. So use these tools to help provide content for you. And you can be even more specific if you have a brick and mortar, if you are just location based. Ask questions in your area. What are people searching for in Denver, Colorado? Or what are people searching for in Tampa, Florida for that topic, and see what results come up. So you want to make sure that you are talking on those topics, because that's how the AI generated search results are featured. Is it often pulls answers directly from websites and displays them in the searches, giving credit to where it found that content from. So if you are writing content around what people are searching for, this is going to help you get found when people are searching on Google. And you also want to make sure that you're focusing on EAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. This is really important. This is what makes Google AI's weight factors, because you want to make sure, again, that you are a real person, that you are talking about things that you have experience in, that you are an expert in your industry, that you have the authoritativeness of what you are talking about, and you're building trust. And if you've watched any of my videos with social media content and blogging, it is about building know, like, trust factor. AI and SEO are no different. If you need help creating a strategy, let me know.